If you're planning a romantic date night at home, I got you covered. Today I'm making creamy Tuscan style chicken that feels restaurant worthy without the stress. For this recipe, you'll need Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt and pepper, fresh spinach, fresh garlic, and some sun-dried tomatoes, heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. I'm using 3 boneless skinless chicken breasts. Before seasoning, I like to slice the chicken in half horizontally so they'll cook evenly. After patting my chicken dry, I'm seasoning with salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, and a little Italian seasoning. I'm going to season both sides and rub the seasonings into the chicken. Anything left on the plate will be used to coat the sides of the chicken. I am adding just enough olive oil to coat the bottom of my Dutch oven. Okay, and I'm going to heat this over medium heat. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to add my first 2 pieces of chicken. I will let this cook for about 4 minutes per side until it's golden brown and releases easily from the pan. Then I'm going to remove the chicken, cook my last piece, and after that, I will start working on my sauce in the same skillet. So as you can see, I'm adding in my sun-dried tomatoes. I lightly drained them. I will let this cook for 1 minute, add the garlic and the spinach, and I'm going to saute until the garlic becomes very fragrant and the spinach begins to wilt. Okay, so now I am going to deglaze with the little chicken broth. And I will gently scrape the fond from the bottom of the pot to get it to release. And next I will add my heavy cream, my freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to give this a nice little mix. Okay, so I'm going to turn my heat down to low and I'm just going to let the sauce gently simmer. And FYI, the ingredients and the measurements are in my description box. Okay, so make sure you screenshot the recipe and go make this delicious Tuscan chicken. I will season to taste with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. I'm going to give this sauce a nice little mix. And now I'm going to return the chicken back to the pot. And this is where everything really comes together. I like to spoon the sauce over the chicken and I will let it gently simmer so it finishes cooking right in the sauce. So if you like using a meat thermometer, now would be a great time to use it. The chicken is done once it reaches 165, okay? And yeah, I am serving this over fettuccine, but rice or mashed potatoes work just as well. So you have options here. This chicken dinner was absolutely amazing. It's creamy, rich, and it feels really special without being complicated. It's perfect for a romantic date night at home. Okay, so I hope that you'll try it. I hope that you'll love it as much as I did. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.